Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. How tired are you of trying to watch your favorite sports teams play, only to find out you need 3 different expensive subscriptions just to catch the NFL, the MLB, and the NBA? Between the cable packages, the premium sports networks, and the blackout restrictions, watching live sports has become an absolute nightmare. Well, what if I told you that you could install just 2 secret apps on your Amazon Firestick today and instantly unlock every single Major League game, every pay-per-view event, and every international match for completely free? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Unlinked app to download the absolute best live sports apps of 2026, Sportz and Sports Fire. If you want to stop paying ridiculous fees just to watch the weekend games, sit tight, because I am going to walk you through exactly how to set this up right now. Alright, let's get straight into it and unlock your Firestick for free sports. Turn on your device and stay right on the home screen. We need to grab our main installation tool from the official Amazon App Store. Take your remote, push to the left, and highlight the magnifying glass. The keypad will pop right up. We are looking for an app called Downloader. Just type the letter D, and you'll see it pop up on the list below. Slide down, click on Downloader, and it will take you to a bright orange tile. Click it, hit that center button to install, and give it a few seconds. Once it finishes downloading, do not open it yet. We need to quickly prep your Firestick. Go ahead and hit the home button on your remote. Before we can install our secret sports apps, we need to unlock the Firestick's developer settings. Slide all the way to the right side of your home screen and click on the settings gear. From the menu, slide down and select My Fire TV. We need to find developer options. If you don't see it, it is a very easy fix. Click on About. Now, while the name of your specific Firestick is highlighted at the top, click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A message will pop up saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Hit your back button 1 time, and Developer Options is now unlocked on your screen. Click into it. First, turn ADB debugging on. Next, click on Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader on the list, click it once, and make sure it is turned on. Your Firestick is now ready. Hit the Home button. Now let's open that Downloader app we just installed. Go to your apps list. Click Downloader, and be sure to hit Allow when it asks for storage permissions. You will see a red cursor circle on your screen. Use your remote to guide that circle up to the main URL search bar and click it. The keypad will appear. This is where we type the address for our secret app vault. Type exactly this, unlinked.link. Once you verify it is typed perfectly, click Go. When the website loads, use your remote to push down until you find the black button that says Download Android app. Click it 1 time. The file will download automatically. When it finishes, slide over and click Install. After the installation is complete, click the word Done. This brings you back to Downloader. We want to delete the setup file to save space, so click Delete, and click Delete 1 more time. Perfect. Let's head back to the home screen. We have one more quick setting to change before we open the vault. Go back to your settings gear. Drop down to My Fire TV. Select Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. You will now see Unlinked on this list. Highlight it, click it once, and make sure it is turned on. Now that everything is unlocked, hit your home button. It is time to get our sports apps. Go to the very end of your apps list and open up Unlinked. It will ask you to add a new library. Click your center button twice. The keypad will pop up so you can enter the secret vault code. Guys, I spend hours maintaining this private store to ensure you only get the best working sports links. All I ask in return for sharing this with you for free is that you take a quick second to hit that subscribe button below this video. It helps the channel immensely. Now enter this master code, everything. Click Next. Read the welcome message and tap your center button twice to enter. Let's grab the ultimate sports combo. Sportz. Scroll through the live TV section until you find Sportz. Click it, hit download, and then hit install. This app is an absolute beast for Major League Sports. It provides direct, high-quality links for NFL, NBA, MLB, and NHL games, plus major pay-per-view events. Sportsfire. Slide down and find Sportsfire. Hit download and click install. This is the perfect backup and alternative app. It specializes in pulling clean broadcasts from major sports networks and international football soccer matches. It has a super simple interface and works great on Firestick. Now guys, listen to me very carefully before you open these apps to watch the big game. Because Sportz and Sportsfire are free apps, they rely on free public servers. When a massive Sunday football game or a huge championship fight comes on, millions of people try to use these exact same links. Those public servers get crushed, and your stream will buffer and freeze right before a major play. If you want a truly flawless VIP sports experience with absolutely zero buffering, you need a private server. That is exactly why I personally use Mint IPTV. I have placed safe, direct links to Mint IPTV right at the top of the description box and pinned in the comment section below. Mint IPTV gives you a dedicated private streaming lane. For a fraction of the cost of a cable bill, you get every single live sports package, local networks, and pay-per-view events in 4K at 60 frames per second, with zero blackouts. Once you select a plan, they email you a private login. If you are serious about live sports, Mint IPTV is the ultimate cable killer. Now that you have Sportz and Sportsfire installed, hit that home button on your remote. You are officially ready to cancel those expensive sports packages and watch all the games for free. If this step-by-step guide helped you out today, please do me a massive favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Drop a thumbs up on this video to help beat the algorithm, and share this video with a friend who is tired of missing their team's games because of blackouts. Thank you guys so much for watching, enjoy the games, and I will see you all again real soon in the very next video.